What's up, Better Days? Today we're on the Piney River and I got all my buddies with me, Brendan and Phil and Don Lottie. We're all gonna hang out and grill some food and enjoy a nice sunny day. And then it's raining. We were told today was gonna be 81 degrees and sunny, and they got it a little bit wrong. But that's okay, we're gonna get some live bait. Brendan's up there cast netting right now. We're gonna get some live bait and we're gonna catch some of these smallmouth bass. It's gonna be an awesome day.
Sneaky pick. I'm gonna go with the Ravens. Okay. I'll go with the Ravens. Okay. I think they're gonna have a good year.
Okay. Ravens, Eagles, couple of birds.
Yep.
Okay.
So I think it'll be Ravens and Ravens 2. And Eagles. I think the Niners might go back. Yeah, that's what I'm rocking with.
Eagles, Ravens. Heard that. I heard that. There he goes. Oh, shoot. Did y'all see that?
Yeah. I'm glad I went right behind.
Did you see that thing go under? Holy smokes. He took it so far under. I have like 4 fish in here and a crawdad. Got him. Smallmouth. And so it begins, our epic day of catching all the fish in this river. No, he's tiny. He's like 12, maybe even 11. But he got stuck, dude. Man, fish number one. Fish number one. Having lots of fun with fish number one. Right down in there, I just been slaying them, right there. Who'd I say, Chargers and who? Chargers, Niners. I like that pick. Yeah, but who's the Niners quarterback even going to be? Maybe. He got hurt at the end of the year. I know. They're good. They showed it in week 1 too. They whooped that out. Oh, there it goes. Got him. Got him. Big one. Big one. Right out in the center under that tree. That's where they sit. Big fish. Big fish, guys. Big fish. Good fish. That's that 15-incher right there. Last week I caught a 15-inch that was 1 pound, 14 ounces. Heavy. They're heavy right now. Phil is right over there under that tree. All right. See how quick that was? There's huge smallmouth over here, Phil. We can see them. There we go. Nice. Look at the tail on this beast. Sweet. Sweet. Let's get some more. How's it going, guys? Oh man, we're catching them. We're doing pretty good. We're catching them fish. He'll eat it. Even if he can see you, he'll still eat it. Like, I'm looking under this log. I don't see any bass. Okay, we're gonna cast for it. They'll eat. Look at this innocuous spot right here, Phil. It's been like 10 to 20 bass cruising all right here all summer long. Every time I come here. And you do gotta let it sit there for a second. Like I had to set the pole down and wait for about a minute and a half maybe. But then eventually something's like, all right, I'm eating that. I'm gonna take the bait. No, it's not any different than this right here. Look right here. It ain't no different than this. It's all about 3 foot right here. But they're huge in here. They're huge and they're everywhere. He's seeing them. Come down here. Grab this pole with the bobber if you want, but definitely fish at the bottom right here. Because if they're not eating our lure on top, they'll eat yours on the bottom. Big bass going towards his bait. Mine's sideways. Mine's sideways. Mine's sideways again. Something's pulling it. He's moving upstream. It's under. Got him. Even bigger. Even bigger. Oh man, that's a good one. I know, it's a good one. I'm trying to paddle away from the hole. There we go. He's pulling me the right direction now. He's moving. Look here, Phil. Don't throw my fish off. Oh. Tank. Tanking. Now we're tanking. This fish well over a pound here. There we go. Are you guys watching this? Yeah, you're watching. Look at that. Look at the smallmouth action. Boy, we're gonna get bassed on today. Look here. My live bait is still alive and kicking too.
Poor guy.
He's fine. He loves being bait. He's like, man, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it, man. Just it's all for the tube.
It's all for the views.
It's all for the views, man. It's all for the subscribers, bro. I'm good with it. Bring me my grill. I'm hungry.
And you don't get none.
No, he got to eat. Because we got 16 dogs and 4 burgers.
You got 16 dogs? How
Yeah.
that happen?
Because you told him to bring some dogs. No, you told him to bring some buns.
I told him. He said
No, he said he brought Nathan's. Oh, did you bring dogs?
I brought dogs too.
So he got 8 and you got 8 and I got 4 burgers.
Well, I got 6. There's only 6 that come in the pack, so I got.
Brown dog.
Yeah, friggin' Chihuahua, dude. No, it's more like that first one with the woof woof. Look, it was just like this. It was perfect, just like this.
Like you can see to the bottom everywhere. This is crazy.
Okay.
They probably hear you coming from a mile away.
Yeah, but it didn't matter on that day. The visibility was the same.
Really?
No, I watched them eat every time.
That is nuts. I guess they gotta eat though. If they don't, they'll die.
Yeah. In a situation like this right here where I got it right next to this rock, they would swim out from under that rock and hit that fish. They're not right now, but they did that day. Regular low limestone. Nah, we ain't got gold deposits around here.
That's what they want you.
Hey, quit scaring the fucking fish. Oh, son of a fish. Damn, I'm trying to catch this fish that all of a sudden rocks. Hey, we're making moon craters over here, guys. No, don't do that. Things to do. Red. I don't play video games no more. All right, we're hanging out, we're fishing, we're swimming, we're having fun. We're grilling some burgers right now. Them are gonna be awesome. Then we're gonna do some dogs. Sweet.
Okay, my hands are wet.
We're all wet. Load them up, boys.
All right.
Load them up, move them out, watch my beer.
Which one you want, Bill?
Oh, it don't matter.
Call it. You want the pepper jack?
I'll take the pepper jack.
All right. I'll take the double.
Double American.
Thank you. All right.
I'm extra American.
You double up on America.
Look at the juice shirting on his shirt.
You shirted on his shirt? No.
I can't get her. There we go. Thank you.
There was a way to open these. Whoa, 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 stop.
They're about to pop out. And then we're all going to be upset.
Okay.
What would it be?
Some people right there. This is round 2. We all already ate. We finna eat again. We got some. What did you say these were? Are these Johnsonville?
No.
What is it?
Those are Hillshire Farm.
Hillshire Farm beef sausages. They're so good. Smoked. You can't even understand how good these are. This is ridiculous. And then some Nathan's. Are these Nathan's hot dogs? Oh, they're already splitting. You can see the split happening. We're grilling and chilling. Y'all come check it out. Y'all come check it out. There's a cool snake right here. Yeah, he's right about your bait fish. Can you turn that music off so I can use this clip? Oh, he's gone. He's already gone. You don't got, look, Engelhofer. That's that mustard right there.
Englage.
No, it's not Engelhofer. That's an Engelhofer, and that is banging. What is that, Phil? It ain't no good? Look at how small this river is. That's what kills me. Yeah, dude, it's 18 feet across right there. This is literally a tiny river.
This is a big creek.
You're right.
21 minutes on this dog.
Nah, man, it ain't never gonna get blackened up like you like it.
It is.
No, it ain't. That coal is too weak.
Coal's too weak. Put some rocks.
It is.
Put some sticks on it.
That's a good idea.
It might work.
Put you some real fire in there.
What?
Put you a couple sticks.
Fucking saying.
That's so funny. Tiny little fish. He munched it. He crunched it. And he absolutely swallowed it all the way down. He ain't much bigger than the little bait he ate. He swallowed it. What that mouth? We know what that mouth do. It gets hooked. All right, we're set up right in front of the creek mouth. Really great spot. Are y'all watching? Yeah, you're watching. Should go under any second now. Hadn't been the best fishing day, but it's been the most fun day all year. It's pretty decent still though. There he goes, he's under. He's under. He went under. You're all right, you're all right. We'll have to sit here a second to get them to settle back down. But they're in here and they're hitting. You saw that, right? Yeah, he went under. It's good fishing right here.
Oh yeah, a whole bunch. Look, smallmouth.
Yeah, he's not doing very good at all, but look, my bobber's under. Got him. Oh, shoot. He come off. I got him. I got him. Oh! We didn't catch a ton of fish. We had a lot of fish though, and we had a lot of fun. It was better earlier than it was late, but it didn't stop us from having a blast. And that's the Piney River. And there's only a couple weeks left if you want to come out and do this trip. Hit me up, betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Send me a message. Check out my website at betterdaysfishing.com. There goes the bobber right there. Oh, I see something chasing that shiner right there. Let me know. I'll bring you out here. We'll do this trip. It's a 6-hour trip. At least 6 hours minimum, and it's $250. I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.